My first time on your platform. Now me follow YouTube kakra.
Wow.
Now me I make her say yes. I follow the NDC. I'm related to most of the NDC people. I'm a deep like NDC and Kasabat. You know.
Also, a deep NDC.
Also, a deep NDC.
Very deep NDC before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deep. But you know, me or US CI. Me by US no. Send me show more politics na name man. I'm independent in the US. I don't belong to the Republicans. I don't belong to Democrats. Like the way you call it neutrals in Ghana, which they are not, right? Now it may be cause of Ghana saying we know I follow the politics and all that, and then we who say NPP has a lot of good policies. Yeah. And my love for Bawumia is so much say I couldn't believe say Uluzu's election. I couldn't believe it. Because this man has so much to offer to Ghana. But they rejected him. And me who say what about you know, I also want to stay in touch with what is going on, and I can also go out and tell people the good things about the NPP. Yeah, me follow me because I just say I follow it, but I don't know deep like never a cost of Ghana because at a point, you know, I was really, let's say I was really a little bit pissed off. Bawumia Eluzu election, no. But I did me say put you into consideration. Say they said lady from the north, your friend Rita, right? She comes Kokono, she comes and speak Dagbani or Kawamukasano to his people. Yes, that no me tia no me take us on Baba me tia. Yeah, Richard D, she's very good. She's very good.
Minimum.
Yeah, and she's so enlightened our facts, you know. Me tiano but me contribute once to the program. Me catch you say me NDC university massacre to NPP. You know, I'm also trying to understand what is going on when I'm talking to people. Then I have my information, the facts right. What you say? Because their cost of Ghana no, I don't know. What you say? Na mumbe to me akamo. Jawu minim say oka aibe right?
Yeah.
Send your okano ube to me just to educate your people too. Because me sure the most deprived regions are what Ghana no. One no move to my NDC fool. You realize that? I'm from the central and the northern region. Me papa fi north, me mami fi central. And I wonder why my people will vote for NDC. Sometimes I always wonder. Yes, but because me by US no, I mean can say me bio, but share US and no year one politics now. They based on policies so. Itina Donald Trump winning election no. Anka bibini bian to we be a man. What you say? And I we say Ghana will have that kind of mindset. Say we looking at the policies and yes say you me too NDC me catch me offer NDC benefit with big time. I worked with him for 5 years and I'm by US. Yeah, I worked with him for 5 years. So me can be most people who know me, they are even shocked say I'm speaking for the NPP. I say I'm not speaking for the NPP just because me say me customer NPP, but I'm looking at the policies are na Bawumia na Kufa do kra, and the Bawumia will continue those things. And a year me ya say Bawumia lose election. Unfortunately, if we don't take time, the NDC will take us back, and Bawumia will suffer when he wins the election. That's my only fear. What you say? That's my only fear because in the man na Kufa do no. Bawumia by no better aswa. I'm telling you, Ghana will be way ahead. You know, but in we can use our language to educate our people. Which I say, we can use our language. Like I gave an example of Rita D. Or use that the ban you said then to educate the people. Although I listened to her for almost an hour. But I was like crying. Sometimes some of the words she uses, I'm able to pick it. What I say. And I wish we will all do that. I've been following you guys until sometimes when I make a request, I also want to be part of you guys. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Yeah.
No problem.
Me follow me. Na I'm born pie say bibia you say Dr. Bawumia be the president, it will come to pass.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now, like you said, you also need some help from the US. I will see. I mean, if I can contribute. You said you needed BB. Say now you US to me to help your work, and I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to do that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right, Ruth. Good evening. Ruth, Auntie Ruth. Yes. Good evening. Yes, I don't want to say. But your voice sounded very far away.
Last time I'm your campaign, I said, in the buy.
Yeah.
You probably are referee. And today, I'm a in the say. No more your campaign, and I will be a unit. What is said, they are blind. Yeah, me refeeding your boy any day.
I say Vance, no, Vance, call markets, no.
Not a trap because the beer they are dancing. Say, NPP are buying you must want a busy that. And so I never say, almost a communication team, not any intimate. With me, or bit me, yak, or draw. Pa, mobile, and I'm here, and I'm here, and I'm here, and I'm here, say. Whenever my son, what did you say? And yes, I didn't be see. Make I, you mean, the father do a kaya some way say. Blind red this, I ain't in a mamma, so me, I am a basu. So now people, I for a man, a number of us, see is believing. So what did this one here was I didn't be see why? In think I can say, Diana, Nipa Bears, do not share how mobile. Diana move a Judy. Can you remember come because almost and quite green book was some green book who can know beyond it before I will said you will me. I just a worry book and well say, yeah, Papa, my hammer so be yes, but waiting where no near not a tradition would be and that might pass on a quadra and so be chantem quadra. Because God be there everything. And I'll cock a cranny and won't be beyond the yes, because we want to come. On a pair of Viana, may wound and every year when you are best and bear 40-50 years of ram, one for a castle or bank and I got. It is a way before when it's a nipano, one may ye answer an arm and one bad than I walk and obey. One man, what that is one country as one man, what the Dober cancer over, wouldn't ye be answer. And since I didn't know, and it's from over to me a year beside Papa and come casa to be trapped. Where am I and I am there quite to the pile.
Yeah.
Truth must have more motor of time, net pressure, and anything or sometimes I know more. Moya network and a cry, intimate mamma, you may was some way.
Yeah.
It is sad, and ya be pass, and I may yardum, namping for no, yes, I am, when ya or more. May only say, yeah, too about the season. May I don't see the crime and share that. Just I mean, even in front of her. Who knew to Papa be a trend of one property? A befu me, bunty me, right? Sana me put a show me, where has to TV men shut. Wow, and sister, I didn't know to me, yeah, not